what is the text mining concept? Now the question asks, what is the text mining concepts over there, and how they are used in different contexts over there. So 85 to 90% of all corporate data in some kind of unstructured form. For example, text, you have a Word form, PDF form, or like a PPT form. So this kind of data they have at 85%. Unstructured corporate data is doubling in size every 18 months. So after every 18 months, it gets double over there. So tapping into these information sources is not an option, but a need to stay competitive. So you have to look for analyzing these kind of text over there. How can I do this one? So the answer for this is text mining. So text mining gives you some more tools to handle this unstructured kind of data. So I told you there are three kind of data. One is called structured data, which is your databases, your Oracle data, your Microsoft Access data over there, or Microsoft SQL Server data over there. But one is called unstructured data, which is there is no structure, just like a text form over there. And another one is called semi-structure, which is called XML or JSON over there, these kind of data. So a semi-automatic process of extracting knowledge from unstructured data sources. So what is text mining? It's a process of extracting knowledge from unstructured data. Also known as text data mining, or we call it knowledge discovery in textual databases. So knowledge discovery is another name for the